Reddit.com/watch people die.
What even is this building?
Is this the building where that collapse happened?
It's H&R Block.
Alright. Now.
Jesus.
That was... Now. Yeah!
That's nice, dude.
Yeah, dude! I like it. I love it. You do it. Do it.
You gotta hit the horn.
Did she do anything?
They got him in left.
Just die.
Wait. No.
They flip shit too. They flip shit too.
Ready?
No.
What's that running?
Wait. Set. Go.
Crew. Oh, just tell me when. 3, 2, 1, now.
She called you an asshole.
When? Now.
He flipped us off.
Did he?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, now. Oh, that was the best! Now. God. Alright, do it.
Tell me.
Now. Dude. She's still freaking out.
Tell me when.
Now. Now. That was a security guard.
Get out, bitch.
Oh shit.
What'd you do?
Dude, that fucking dude's staring daggers. 2, 1, now. Fucking Truman kids.
Did he shoot me?
Oh, he did shoot
He
you.
shot me.
Don't say that.
I'm
3,
kidding.
2, 1, now. Dude, he loves
keep
it.
on it.
He loves it.
Hunk again, he loves it. Nico, hit it again.
Yeah, do it again. Yeah.
He loves it.
This is gonna be fitness.
3. Now. Do it now. Hurry.
The people next to us got even more mad.
That dude.
Who?
They got
Them.
love with
Tell me when.
Hurry up. 3, 2. Dude, now. That is yes. Yes.
They're like pepperoni.
All right. Can we have just a cheeseburger without onions and pickles, and then another or a McDouble? Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah.
That's a triple cheeseburger.
Yeah, thanks.
You got a triple cheeseburger.
Oops. All right. Here we go, dude.
I'm gonna yell, fuck you, Drake.
That's not even Drake.
That is Drake.
Don't yell it yet. Here we go, dude.
Drake!
Whoa, man.
Whoa!
What the fuck was that?
Dude!
No, we just had this.
Why would you do that?
Bye.
Holy God, dude!
Both sides.
They got scared too.